Alright, now I request you guys to watch this video completely because you are going to be blown away looking at this impressive, rare and unique Android launcher which offers some amazing customization options. I've seen so many launches on Play Store which were not as thoughtfully designed as this one here. It's a wonderful launcher you must consider trying today. Alright, now if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing to watch some cool contents on tech and leave a like if you find this video useful. Now let's have a look at this gem of a launcher which I recently came across. The concept is quite different here on the home screen. It's a single wide home page on which we can place different items which are provided on the launcher itself, which can be decorated or customized the way you want. There are default themes available which do not require any customization in my opinion, but once you select a particular theme, you can play around a bit and tweak them. Now let's look at this particular home screen here. It has a beautiful background and we have a palette here which shows all the recently used applications. You just press and hold to customize it. You get to change the orientation, you can set a background image or a color, you can move it around anywhere you want. Fantastic, isn't it? Then we have time widget here. You can place any widget you want from the system. We can see an image here. Again, you can press and hold to set any image and change the size and orientation. Then we have a small window to enter some notes as well. We have got today's quote here. Now let's just slide this. Here you see mini news which can be clicked to go to the web page. We have a small Google search bar here. Now let's slide to the left. Here you can see some folders which are automatically created by the launcher by grouping the applications depending on its functions, and just look at the animation when you touch the folder. Cool, isn't it? So this is what we get on home screen, but wait, there is something more here. If you swipe from the middle of your home screen towards right, we have a cool looking notification tray which shows the entire history of notifications received on the phone. You're not gonna miss any of them. You can even select a category of notification here. And you can also select the application for which you want to see the notifications. Now let's swipe left. Look at this. This is a daily log window. We get to see some important information and all the activities on the phone which you did in the past. If you scroll down, you can see the wallpapers I have downloaded, videos I have watched, etc. Basically, this is the history of what you did on the phone. You can select which data you wanted to be displayed on this window, which is brilliant. So this particular home screen setup is not just confined to these functions and items. You can add more. Just swipe up from the bottom, you can see all the items categories like widgets, palettes, applications, applet, and we have got pets, just some stickers if you want to decorate the screen. The most interesting category I found is the applet. This offers some cool items which can be placed on the home screen. For example, this mini maps which shows your current location, and it also acts as a shortcut to Google Maps. Then we have mini news, YouTube mini, etc. which are really cool. The palette can offer application groups such as recently used apps, frequently used apps, auto-classified folders, photo profile contacts, etc. And all these are available in different grid formats as well. Alright, now you can just press and hold the home screen to change the theme, and believe me, these are some amazing themes available which can be further customized. Apart from this, let's say you want to create your own home screen theme, you can do that as well. Just get a blank white home screen and start placing all the items you need. I'm sure you can show your skills here and be creative. Apart from these, there are many more customization options in settings menu as well. And if you press the bottom tray, you can see an option to get more themes. There are some gorgeous home screen setup we can get. Last but not the least, the application tray is very user-friendly. It can sort the applications into 3 categories such as name, newest, and recently used. I really appreciate the developer for designing such a wonderful, functional and unique launcher which we don't see more often. This is not just a launcher but also an engine which offers variety of home screen setups. That's all I have here in this video. I'm sure you're going to love this launcher. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I have left a link to download this particular launcher in the description. Do leave a like if you find this video useful. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Until the next one, you guys stay safe and take care. Cheers, bye bye.